Porky Pig's a good one. Let's start. He's got a big old head. It's about a third of his body, it is. Let's bring it on up like this. Looking good. Looking good. Give him a bit of a pointy ear here like that. He's got some funny pig ears, he does. Give him a little one over there like that. Alright, and then we can bring his cheek down here like this. Give him a bit of a chin here. There we go, just like that. And then bring the rest of his head up like that. There we go, there's the beginning of his head anyway. Porky Pig. Now sometimes it's nice just to put the nose in so we know where we're at. Right about there. Give him a couple of nostrils, just like that. And give him a big old smile. There we go. Down with the mouth, then up. And a tongue. Never forget the tongue. Good tongue. Alright. There's the bit of his nose. His eyes. Right there. Cheeks. I like it. Now we can bring this eye up like this. And we'll do the same over here with this one. There we go. Eyeballs. Looking good, everybody. Let's give him a bit of a brow here. Just like this. Alright, there's Porky's head. Porky Pig has a bow tie as well. So let's draw that. There we go. And we can have him with his hands behind his back, just like this. We'll do the same over here with this arm. Tuck him behind his back, just like this. His coat coming down like that. Do the same over here with this one, just like this. I like that. And then we can bring that up there to the bow tie. The same over here with this one. Just like that. And then its tummy can come out like that. And we'll bring his leg around like this. Looking good. Let's bring this leg up here like this. And we've got to give him some feet. Porky Pig's got some funny feet, just like that. Round that off like this. And the other foot can come around here like this. And like that. Very nice, everybody. Porky Pig's looking really good. Alright, now all we gotta do is draw his toes in like this. Another bit, little bit over there like that. Finish off his tie a bit like that. And I think we're good. Let's get to the color. Porky Pig. Porky has pink skin, a blue coat, red tie and tongue, black toes, eyes, and mouth. Thanks, everyone.